So guys, this is what I make for my own breakfast. I hope it's clear enough. But yeah, this is my breakfast just to show you what you can do for breakfast, especially if you want to stay healthy. Okay? I want to take this healthy journey very seriously because it's already affecting me when I go against what the doctor says. Trust me. So this is cucumber. I have so so for my breakfasts, I have cucumber, I have grapes. No, excuse me. Oh my goodness. I'm not going to be editing this, but pardon all of my, mistakes, please. Okay, I have cucumber here. I have avocado pear here. I have pear here. I have apple here. Somewhere there you can see. I have 2 eggs and I have grapes. So this is what I'm going to be eating for my breakfast. Okay, so if you want to go on weight loss journey, you want to apart from being on weight loss journey, if you want to just be healthy, this is what you can do. I know here in America we are very scared of the vegetables and fruits, but yeah, you can still get good ones. Okay, so my husband will be going for green salad, but here I have cucumber in this salad. I have grapes, I have kale, I have some cabbage. You can see the nuts. This is I think this is called the what is this called again? I have it in my head, but I really cannot remember it now. But yeah, this is what I have here. Pumpkin seed. Yeah, I think this is pumpkin seed. I have some cranberries here. I have some avocado. My husband loves avocado salad. If you don't know, he doesn't want too much egg. He asks for one. I have red onions. Yeah, so these are all we have here. You can use this to make, you can use it for your breakfast aside from adding cream. Yeah, just eat the vegetables like that. My husband don't eat too much cream. I'm the cream eater. So let me show you this is my pear. Okay, I used to buy a lot of these fruits, guys. Guchies and fruits. If you know me, you know me, and vegetables and fruit. This is my avocado. We got a couple of it, but this is what is remaining now. We're going to buy another one. This is my apple. I bought these apples from Publix. Yeah. And this is the kale whatever salad. Here is my cucumber. And here is my grapes, fruit. And I use this ranch. Actually, this is the one I added for my husband. This Italian, um, you know, dressing. This is the one I added for him. This, actually, this kale salad used to have some cream and nuts in it. All right. So this is what we are going to be eating. All right, guys. Whichever way you see this video, please just take it. Okay. Thank you. I also like to squeeze this in. Okay. So I'm going to be squeezing this in for my hubby, and I'll eat the skin and the remaining of it. Okay.